What's up, YouTube? Here we have two identical lawnmowers. This one's fairly taken care of, and this one is not. First thing to start out with, spark plug wire is broken. They want that fixed. Air cleaner is missing. Hardly any oil in there, but that's not too big of a deal. And here's the craziest thing. That is not the right handle. That is rigged in there. Same with all this shit. This is what the handle's supposed to look like. Just an actual bar going in here. And this is what it does look like. That is a freaking mess. Is it even worth fixing? Look how wobbly this wheel is. That's no good. Now I flipped the mower on its side. What the fuck happened here? They must have hit something pretty big with it, because they just tore the side of their mower out. Damn. What's up, YouTube? So I was yanking on this mower trying to get it started, and I figured it doesn't have any compression. So I took the spark plug out so I could hook my compression tester in there. And when I took the spark plug out, I found there's something in there. What the hell is that? Let's find out. Okay, so appears there's some kind of O-ring in here for some reason, and it is caught on something. I think it's holding one of the valves open. So if I remove that, that should fix the problem. Alright, so I got it out. I don't know how the hell that got in there, but assuming the customer had something to do with it. Unbelievable.